Encountered an AG1 file from vintage computing collections? This is a disk image format used with the Applix-1616 microcomputer system. I'm Evan Brooks, Certified Support Engineer, and I'll show you how to access these Applix-1616 OS disk image files. Just a reminder, the whole point of the final segment is to show you the efficiency of using one specialized AG1 file analysis tool that eliminates the need for dozens of format-specific utilities. AG1 files are disk image files containing data from Applix-1616 microcomputer disks. The Applix-1616 was an Australian-designed Motorola 68,000 base computer system from the late 1980s, and these disk images preserve the operating system applications and user data for emulation and historical computing research. AG1 disk image files use the Applix-1616 native disk format, with specific sector layouts and file system structures matching the original hardware. The format preserves complete disk content including system files, application binaries, and data files in their original Applix-specific organization for accurate emulation and preservation. To ensure best performance with AG1, always start with Applix-1616 emulator from Applix. The file must be mounted or accessed using specialized file system emulation software. Windows cannot expose the internal file systems in an image, so third-party tools are needed. We are performing the initial software environment diagnostic. Right-click your AG1 file and choose Open With. Test with Applix-1616 emulator first. If it's missing, select another program. It's often a simple software switch. If the AG1 file still will not open, there is no need to stress. You've earned a definitive answer. Let's run these focused tests on the common failure points to locate where the issue with the AG1 file begins. First, using with emulators. Use Applix-1616 emulators that support AG1 disk images for accessing the contained software. Mount the AG1 file as a virtual disk in the emulator, allowing the emulated Applix system to boot or load applications. Emulator availability is limited, reflecting the niche nature of this Australian computing platform. Next, examining with disk tools. Specialized disk image tools may extract individual files from AG1 images for examination. These tools recognize the Applix file system, enabling browsing of disk contents and extraction of specific applications or data. Tools are limited but available through retro computing preservation communities. Finally, preserving historical content. Contribute to preservation efforts by sharing AG1 images with retro computing archives. Organizations like the Internet Archive and specialized vintage computing sites preserve historical software for future research. This ensures the Applix-1616's place in computing history remains documented and accessible. If compatibility checks failed, it is likely because the file extension name is shared by different developers for unrelated formats, causing your PC to use the wrong reading language. An effective path forward often involves using a format-agnostic utility that is designed to prioritize actual data content over the potentially misleading extension name. Our troubleshooting is complete. The failure of the previous step suggests a need for superior format intelligence. FileMagick is my recommendation for professional-grade access. FileMagick.com has the download. Let me know in the comments if that file is open. Subscribing ensures you never miss another one-click solution.